Hello everyone, is your car experiencing rough idling, poor acceleration, or a drop in fuel economy? If your OBD-II scanner has detected P0662, Intake Manifold Tuning Valve Control Circuit High, Bank 1, then your engine's air intake system isn't functioning correctly. In this video I'll explain what P0662 means, its symptoms, and most importantly, the exact locations of the affected sensors and components. Let's get started. What is P0662? The P0662 trouble code stands for Intake Manifold Tuning Valve Control Circuit High, Bank 1. Modern engines use a variable intake manifold to optimize airflow at different speeds. The Intake Manifold Tuning Valve, IMTV, adjusts air intake based on RPM and load. If the control circuit voltage is too high, it indicates a problem with the wiring, actuator, or powertrain control module, PCM. Common symptoms of P0662. Check engine light on poor acceleration, especially at low RPMs. Engine misfires or rough idling, lower fuel economy. Reduced engine power. If you're facing these issues, let's locate the critical sensors and components responsible for P0662. To diagnose P0662, focus on these key components. Intake Manifold Tuning Valve, IMTV. Actuator location, mounted on the intake manifold, typically near the throttle body. Function, controls airflow for better performance. A faulty actuator can disrupt airflow, causing rough engine operation. Powertrain control module, PCM. Location, usually near the firewall, inside the engine bay, or under the dashboard. Function, sends signals to the IMTV actuator. A faulty PCM can prevent the valve from functioning properly. IMTV wiring and connectors location, wires running between the IMTV actuator and the PCM. Function, transmits electrical signals. Damaged, corroded, or broken wires can lead to high voltage, triggering P0662. Intake Manifold Runner Control, IMRC system location, attached to or inside the intake manifold. Function, works alongside the IMTV to regulate air intake based on engine speed. A malfunction can cause poor performance. Vacuum lines and solenoids location, near the intake manifold and throttle body. Function, controls pressure changes within the intake system. A vacuum leak can cause the IMTV to fail. Common causes of P0662, faulty intake manifold tuning valve, IMTV, actuator. If the valve fails, it won't adjust airflow properly. Wiring issues, high voltage or corrosion. Frayed or shorted wires can cause high voltage in the circuit. Failed IMTV control solenoid. The solenoid moves the valve. If it's malfunctioning, the system won't work. PCM malfunction. A damaged powertrain control module can send incorrect signals to the actuator. Vacuum leaks in the intake system. Leaks can cause incorrect air pressure affecting the IMTV. How to fix P0662. Step 1. Scan for additional codes. Look for other air intake-related trouble codes. Step 2. Inspect wiring and connectors. Check for loose, corroded, or broken wires in the IMTV circuit. Step 3. Test the IMTV actuator. Use a multimeter to check for proper voltage and resistance. Step 4. Check for vacuum leaks. Look for cracks in vacuum hoses connected to the intake system. Step 5. Replace the IMTV actuator if necessary. If stuck, replace it with a new OEM part. Step 6. Clear the code and test drive. Reset the code using an OBD-II scanner and ensure the problem is resolved. Ignoring P0662 can lead to reduced engine power, poor fuel economy, and long-term damage to the intake system. Fixing this code ensures your engine runs efficiently with optimal airflow. For more car repair tips, check out these videos. P0580, Cruise Control Multifunction Input. See Circuit P0581, Cruise Control Multifunction Input D Circuit. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for expert car diagnostics.